What's going on, everybody? My name is Alex. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we were going to be testing smoke detectors with my candle, and we're going to be testing my fire alarms because I just put a new fire alarm up, and it's the simplex Truller. But this Truller doesn't have a strobe.
I'm getting dressed and I'll come in.
Whatever. This Truller doesn't have a strobe, so I just put a little red light in there. It's actually, it doesn't say True Alert on it though, but let's make sure zone 1 is on. Crap. Darn it. I think I might have just broke the panel. There we go. That work? Yep, it works. That doesn't count though. I still have to test them. Because I just had to make sure the panel was still working. Alright, zone 1's on. And my trusty handy dandy lighter. I don't think this is one I'm gonna work. You can see the candle. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's not good. See, I can test it, but the smoke doesn't seem to be working. I need to get one of those smoke savers like Safety Security Alert has. I'll show you how I do this. So here's the candle, and I find the smoke part in there, which is right there. Then I blow out the candle. It's not wanting to work, so let me go get my other one. I'll go get the other smoke detector. Now this one I do differently. This one, I pop the casing off so you can expose the insides. Right here's the smoke detector. Now I just need to get my lighter. Ow, it's hot. I need to get my hand on the button too, because it's going to be really loud when I blow this out. I didn't do it right. I'll just hold down the button. I really need to get myself a smoke saver. Okay, so that one works.
What? Big belly.
What? Yeah. You know what? I'll fix it later. Sorry for everyone that's watching this video. Here we go. That one works. Oh.
Stay out, Mom.
I'm not coming in.
Good.
Love you.
Love you too.
Ow.
Shut the door.
Okay. I'm gonna be doing my fire alarms. All right, here we go. 3, 2, here, 1. It's kind of loud. I'll go downstairs so you guys can hear it. You can hear it outside. Merry Christmas. You can barely hear it out here. Man, that's ice. I'll go in the living room so you guys can hear it. Ow!
Who? Sean? Yeah. No, I never heard that from you.
Well, then you know what? This guy wanted to know if you would take. Will you accept payments? I need a place in the area. Yes.
Jeez. Now if I need to silence it, say I lost the keys, you can just go in here, shut off the switch. What if I shut that off? Turn that back on? Doesn't work. You have to have master power on. I'm gonna put the keys back in the safe. I just put a little nut in there, put glue on the end and put glue on the other end, and then stuck it on there. But I don't know if there's really much more to say. Crap! I didn't mean to do that. I just was trying to bounce my hand off it. Oh! I know what I was going to say. New PA system. I got it working. Anymore. Wait, no I don't. Forgot I took it apart. Never mind. I love this heater. keep me warm. It's 72 degrees in my room. But that's going to be the end of this video. Look up for the next video, because the next video is going to be all about my speakers. Yep, so that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share. Helps me out a bunch. And just do that random crap. And if you do comment, first comments, I will give a shout out in the next video. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Later.